All right, everyone, welcome to my fishing YouTube channel. So today we finally get a nicer day, nice and sunny, and it's not 15 mile per hour wind. So it's probably going to be like somewhere 8 miles per hour winds, but I'll take it over any double-digit winds any day. So today we're out at one of my local lakes. I was here last time, caught my limit, but I couldn't get it on camera. So I'm gonna try to catch my limit again today. Last time I lost a pretty big one too, probably a 3 or 4 pounder, and I'm gonna try to catch him by the cattails today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Finally. Wow. Just one. The 1 pounder. Oh my God. Oh, big one. Big one. Big one. I think I'm good. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. 3 pounds. I'm good. I knew there was some in here. Just knew it. Got them so good. Wow, 4 pounds on the dot. Oh, it's a high 3. It's actually a 4 pounder. Oh. Yes. Believe it. Right there. Wow. Damn, I can't believe it came good right there. Must have followed it all the way on the back over there. Nice. 2.5 pounder. Haul with it. Strong one. Good size. Alright. Still biting. Oh my gosh. This is not a bass. It's a freaking pike. Nice to know. Love it. Pikes love it. This is literally one cast after another. After this guy, definitely need a tie. You know.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled.